हाय फ्रेंड्स मु समीर आपण समस्त को वेलकम करछि आपण फेवरेट टॉक शो ग्लैमर लेन को वेल आज लाइफ विषय में गोटे कथा कहूँ बैड टाइम नेवर डिसाइड योर डेस्टिनी because some bad times have proved you as a very good human being and here a very handsome man with me who always fight with bad time bad phase but always with their fans the very dashing man Chandan bhai hi Chandan bhai
Thank you, Samir. Wonderful introduction. Thank you so
so
much.
sweet of you so sweet of you after a long time we met.
In fact, yeah, sada kohe je it's always wonderful interacting with you. I always have a lots of fun. So आज I'm looking forward to this discussion also.
oh my pleasure केमती अछंदी
बहुत बड़ा है. I'm hoping that you are doing well. You look fit.
oh so sweet of you I mean आपण बहुत अधिक फिट दिखाउ छन माने
Thank you so much.
चेंज एंड ऑल
Yeah, it was a very conscious decision. मुझे चाहूँतली गोटे अलगा look आनिया पे. So
लॉकडाउन ने हेल्प किया
लॉकडाउन ने डेफिनेटली हेल्प किया बट आई हैड डिसाइडेड मच बिफोर दैट काइंड मु जनवरी एंड आडू को आई हैड स्टार्टेड दिस ट्रेनिंग विथ क्रिस केथन जे की ऋतिक रोशन को ट्रेन करथले क्रिस सो आई रीच्ड आउट टू हिम ऑन सोशल मीडिया एंड ही बिकेम माय कोच फॉर 6 मंथ्स तो जून रू जनवरी रू अराउंड जुलाई जाए ही गिव मी अ वंडरफुल ट्रेनिंग वेरी रिगरस 3 hours of workout every day very fixed diet and mu start करथली 92 kgs रे and I ended up at around 72-73 kgs
wow
with all shredded ripped whatever you say
see पे हम देखु छु look fit and fine
thank you so much
okay এটা not for any movie
no I just wanted to bring in a change काहे ना तो जदी भी देखि थियो whenever even I was fit I always was on a bulky side I had always a lot of mass so I wanted to slightly change that मु चाहूतली जे ओटा अलगा लुक आनिबी which is more lean जोटा कि एबे तुमे यूजुअली मध्य देखुथबो बाहर मूवीज रे कि एक्टर्स माने लीन थांती फिट थांती rather than being bulky so I wanted to bring about that change how you have always know that कि मोर फिटनेस प्रति टिके वीकनेस मध्य अछि so no one better than Chris to actually approach and it was so nice of him to actually interact and yeah give me that guidance
ओके तो गोटे कथा आपण फर्स्ट फिल्म रो यू नो लाइक गोटे अटेंशन भितर को आसी गले लोक नोटिस कले गोटे स्टारडम जिनसटा आसी गला गोटे गुड फेज बट तापरे लाइफ रे गोटे बैड फेज स्टार्ट हला जोटी लोक आपण को गाली भी कले तो जो गुड फेज और बैड फेज ता भितर जते बाहरिले कोन सिखिले कोन व्हाट अबाउट फीलिंग व्हाट अबाउट
बहुत किछ आई थिंक life always gives you experiences from which you need to learn and you pick kind of there is nothing that you lose okay sada ko hai je either way you win or you gain some experience
you never feel same
you never face loss or something kind of apun jeta bhi there is a negative phase or a bad phase in life seita bahut kichhi apun ko sikhaye jota agu ko apun ko se jinsa help kariyo so definitely it made me very strong as a person it gave me a lot of confidence in myself that I can face challenges
and
in
reality
life.
What is reality
No see what is reality
people's reality and
see people will always perceive you differently काहे ना से आपन को जान न थांती जो माने आपन को चिनी नांती they will only hear say रे से believe करिवे they will some criticize some will sympathize so that will be different so आपन को देखिबार अछि जे आपन निज फैमिली प्रति जस्टिफाई कर परछन कि नै आपन को देखिबार अछि जे आपन निज कॉन्शियस को जस्टिफाई कर परछन कि नै as long as you are able to do this I think you will be able to give face over any challenges in life
ओके अच्छा आगुर हमें देखथलु कि अपन बहुत कंटीन्यूअसली मूवी करथले एबे अपन ते कंटीन्यूअसली मूवी करू ना माने इट्स ऑल अबाउट कि बहुत हीरो आसी गले बोली माने डिमांड कमी गला या जॉब रो बहुत हेडाक रहउछ बखरे
सी एई जिंसटा मो प्रोबेबली 5-6 वर्ष आगु बहुत कॉन्शियसली डिसाइड करथली दैट बिकॉज़ आई एम गेटिंग इनटू सीनियर पोजीशंस इन माय प्रोफेशन
ओके
और जेहेतु मूवीज इज नॉट माय प्रोफेशन आई हैव टू टेक अ कॉन्शियस कॉल कि मु केमिति बैलेंस
You don't enjoy it?
I don't think I need to do movies to be in limelight.
Okay.
I otherwise also am enough in light or limelight to be able to get the love and blessings of people. तो मते लागे नि जे मते movies कले ही मु limelight रे रही परिबी कि सेमति ता छोड़ा भी मते सेई जो स्टार फ्रेंजी किंबा स्टारडम रो केबे भी निशा की ऑब्सेशन नथिला आई वाज ऑलवेज more of a person जे कि निजो फैमिली एवं निजो पर्सनल लाइफ को बेसी
प्रायोरिटी दिए
ओके that is how it is so मु consciously decide करथली that I'll probably do one movie in a year at max ता भी जदी मते से स्टोरी और से स्क्रिप्ट सेति भल लागला सेति चैलेंजिंग लागला से कैरेक्टर ता ताले करबी जदी न करबी इट्स स्टिल ओके बिकॉज़ आई हैव ऑलरेडी वर्कड इन मूवीज जोटा कि मु केबे भाबी नथली मु करिया पाइबी बोली आई लिव्ड life of an actor, which I'm pretty happy with. Whenever life gives me an opportunity to do a good character,
it's
I'll do it.
okay for
Otherwise,
you. It's okay.
I do not have any
You're not
such
obsessed.
aspirations कि मते गोटे ଏବେ ଯାଇ ମୁଭିଟେ କରିବାର ଅଛି ନହେଲେ ମତେ ଲୋକ ଭୁଲି ଯିବେ ନହେଲେ କ'ଣ ହବ I was never insecure about my identity. I still walk out with the same confidence. In fact, I walk out with more confidence each passing day.
Oh,
So it doesn't matter.
so sweet of you, so sweet of you. अच्छा ଯେତେବେଳେ ଆପଣ career start କରିଥିଲେ ଅର୍ଚ୍ଚିତାଙ୍କ ସହିତ
Correct.
ତ now she is a superstar of course ତ ଏବେ ତାଙ୍କ ସହିତ କେମିତି relation?
See, ମୋର mostly ସବୁ actors ଆଉ actresses ମାନଙ୍କ ସାଙ୍ଗରେ on the sets ଯେତିକି interaction ଥାଏ ସେତିକି ରୁହେ. Beyond that ବହୁତ limited interaction ରୁହେ. I will be very honest about it. କାହିଁକି ନା once I'm out of the shooting set, ମୋର professional life is very demanding.
They are not friends?
I'll not call friends, I'll always call them more colleagues because I do not have ସେମିତି ମୁଁ ତାଙ୍କ ସାଙ୍ଗରେ ମୁଁ ଯାଇକି ପାର୍ଟି କରେନି କିମ୍ବା
You never
ତାଙ୍କ
go
ସାଙ୍ଗରେ
hang
ଯେମିତି
out?
socialize କରେନି କି hang out ତ ମୁଁ ସେମିତି ହିଁ କରେନି यार, you know me pretty
so
well.
sad.
I hardly hang out. So if I get some time off from my work, I would rather spend it my home with my family. And with a kid at home, तो option ही न था कि तुम जाइए hang out करो सांग
କୋଉଠି କରିବ? True.
Exactly. तो ସେଥିପାଇଁ I'll call all of them as very good colleagues. But if you ask me about friendship and socializing, there is nothing.
No need to be
No, I mean, I cannot afford to at this point in time
Okay,
where
okay,
I'm
okay,
in life.
okay.
तो ସେଇଟା ମୁଁ କରି ହିଁ ପାରିବିନି ଏବେ ଚାହିଁଲେ ବି.
ଆଚ୍ଛା ମାନେ ଏବେ ଯେତେବେଳେ ଲୋକମାନେ ମାନେ ଯେତେବେଳେ past କୁ ଆମେ ଯଦି ମନେ ପକେଇବା ମାନେ there was a time ଯେତେବେଳେ ଲୋକ କହୁଥିଲେ କି ଚନ୍ଦନ and ଅର୍ଚ୍ଚିତା into a relationship or they are dating each other.
I
So
don't know
what the
why
reactions?
I found it really funny because ଆମର ସେ କେବେ ବି ମୋର ମନେ ପଡିବା ଭିତରେ କିଛି ବି पर्सनल डिस्कशन भी करनु ଆମେ କୋଉ ଜିନିଷକୁ ନେଇକି forget about being in a relationship or being into something intimate. Only thing probably ଆମେ ଯେତେବେଳେ discuss କରୁ is our lines କି କ'ଣ ଅଛି script ରେ or whether things are okay because she was studying then. I was already doing my job, so ସେ ପଚାରଦ ଆପଣଙ୍କର job କେମିତି ଚାଲିଛି କି ମୁଁ ତାଙ୍କୁ ପଚାରଦେବି କି ଆପଣଙ୍କ ପଢା କେମିତି ଚାଲିଛି, that's all. Beyond that, I don't even remember having a personal discussion ki how things are.
Okay, ମାନେ it's just a gossip.
Of course, there
Just
is
a
not
gossip, okay.
no chance ki it had any iota of truth.
ଆଚ୍ଛା ସଞ୍ଜୟ ନାୟକ ଆପଣଙ୍କୁ ଇଣ୍ଡଷ୍ଟ୍ରିରେ ଡେବ୍ୟୁ କରାଇଥିଲେ ମାନେ ଡାକି ଆଣି ହିରୋ କରାଇଥିଲେ ସେଇଭଳିଆ ଆମେ କହିପାରିବା ଏବେ ଆମେ ଶୁଣୁଛୁ କି ସଞ୍ଜୟ ନାୟକଙ୍କ ସହିତ ଆପଣଙ୍କର କିଛି ଗୋଟେ ଝଗଡ଼ା ହେଇଯାଇଛି ସେଥିପାଇଁ ଆପଣ ତାଙ୍କ ଫିଲ୍ମରେ ନାହାନ୍ତି ଇଟ୍ସ ଟ୍ରୁ
This is absurd. ମାନେ ମୁଁ ଏବେ ବୋଧେ ସଞ୍ଜୟ ଭାଇ ଯେତେ ରାୟଗଡ଼ା ଯାଇଛନ୍ତି ତାଙ୍କ ଫିଲ୍ମର ସୁଟିଂ କରିବା ପାଇଁ ତା ଆଗରୁ ହିଁ ମୁଁ ତାଙ୍କ ସାଙ୍ଗେ କଥା ହେଇଥିଲି, not about the movie, about something else.
Okay.
But ତାଙ୍କ ସାଙ୍ଗରେ ଝଗଡ଼ା ହବା କଥା at least it sounds really funny. କାହିଁକି ନା ତାଙ୍କର ମୋର ସମ୍ପର୍କଟା is not limited to movies, okay? So even if I'm not doing a movie, personal level ରେ he is very well connected to me, my family, my parents, everyone.
Okay.
So I'm
He is connected with you.
connected, well connected. I mean, ଆମେ ଏମିତି random talks ବି ବହୁତ କରୁ which is totally out of line.
This
ମାନେ
mood,
movie ସାଙ୍ଗରେ connected ହିଁ ନୁହଁ.
Okay,
ତ ବହୁତ ଗୁଡ଼ା ଏମିତି ଜିନିଷ ସେମାନେ ତାଙ୍କର ଯଦି କିଛି ଆଗର future plans ଥାଏ ସେ ବିଷୟରେ କଥା ହଉ, ମୁଁ ମୋର ଯଦି କିଛି ଏମିତି ଭାବିଛି ସେ ବିଷୟରେ ମୁଁ ତାଙ୍କ ସାଙ୍ଗେ କଥା ହୁଏ. So ତାଙ୍କର ମୋର
Just a
ସମ୍ପର୍କଟା is
discussion.
not confined to just movies.
Okay,
So ସେଇଟା କହିବା କି ସେ ମତେ ମୋ ସାଙ୍ଗରେ ତାଙ୍କର ସମ୍ପର୍କ ଭଲ ନାହିଁ ସେଥିପାଇଁ ସେ ମତେ ଫିଲ୍ମରେ
ମାନେ just a joke.
Probably, I mean, horrible, pathetic. PJ would be better, I guess.
Okay. ଆଚ୍ଛା ମିଡିଆ ଆପଣଙ୍କର କ୍ଷତି ଅଧିକା କରିଛି ନା ଆପଣଙ୍କର ଲାଭ ଅଧିକା କରିଛି?
I seriously cannot say कि किसी भी समती, but I think it's been pretty equal. See, again, when you say लाभ क्षति करिवा, it all depends on how you see it, okay?
As an actor, it's difficult to see. Okay, I am बदनाम now. लोग मुझे बदनाम करें.
Do you actually care? Is the question. You care? I'm for someone जे कि मु केबे देखिनी जे मते लोक कोन परसीव करंती कि मो विषय कोन भाबंती कि मो विषय कोन कोंती. As I said, am I answerable to my parents? The answer is yes. Am I answerable to my conscience? The
Not
answer
society?
is yes. The society who does not know me, I'm not answerable to them, of course.
Okay.
I mean, every person who does not know me, if I go and start justifying myself, ki this
That
is
is
what it
shit.
is.
That is bullshit.
That cannot be. I mean, that is not something which is
That is
acceptable
not
to
possible.
me. That is not acceptable to me also. Okay. So whenever you talked about that bad phase, there are a lot of people who criticized, right? Because they didn't know the story.
Okay.
There are a lot of people who sympathized because they knew part of my story. So there are always different kinds of perceptions which float around. तो सेही भितर आपन को देखिया को पड़िबो जे आपन एक्चुअली गोटे एते वास्ट पॉपुलेशन को समस्त को बसी गोटे गोटे करी बुझेबे जे ना आपन वर्जन टा देबे
देबेनी बट माने जो कोन लोकन गोठु ताळी साउंड तुवा लोकडा जेतेबेले लोकन गोठु गाली शुणे माने
ଯେତେବେଳେ ତାଳି ଶୁଣେ ଯଦି ଆପଣ ବେଶୀ ଉପରୁ ଚଢି ଯାଆନ୍ତି ହୁଏତ ଆପଣ ଗାଳି ଶୁଣିଲେ ତଳକୁ ଖସି ଯାଇ ପାରନ୍ତି ଯଦି ଆପଣ ତାଳି
not difficult.
it finally depends on your mindset and your approach to life. Okay, so I never got too carried away and I never got so upset or depressed.
अच्छा आपण प्रेम भी करछन्ती और माने बाहाघर भी
प्रेम
हेछि
बहुत थर करछि विवाह
अच्छा प्रेम बहुत थर हेछि
बहुत
थर माने केते थर माने मन अछि
I mean that would be disrespectful to whoever was in a relationship with me.
No,
But I never kept count. It is Sanju movie where I count रखिनी but yeah I've been
चार पांच थर हेछि
एते कम भी हैनी ताठू बेसी हेतियो न ताठू बेसी हेतियो बट अरे छुआ से किया मन रखछि यार एते उडा सो दैट बट you know what
माने प्रेम वाला केते प्रेम
most of it is या मु कहबी जे I have been with so many girls and they've all been so good. We are still I'm still connected with most of them and I respect most of them because of the fact that they still are the ones जो माने कि are my good friends.
Okay, and they all are your exes.
If you want to call it as ex, it may be ex. I still prefer to call them as my friends.
Friends. अच्छा माने प्रेमिका माने बेसी कष्ट दियंती ना स्त्री माने बेसी कष्ट दियंती
किए कष्ट दिए न दिए सेटा तुम ऊपर डिपेंड करे तुमे के सही कष्टटा केते दूर
हाउ यू हैंडल
see how I handle is again might not be applicable to everyone, so don't take it as a formula. Okay, let me be very clear, but how I handle is ki I try to have again a very balanced approach. So jodi kichi concerns achi I try to discuss it out and तापरे जदि if somebody is being very fidgety कि somebody is being very कौन कोई परिवी
messy hazy
kind of
no like
then
that,
I will prefer to have a distance.
अच्छा then जतबे लोक आपन को पचरंती कि what is the definition of a perfect marriage?
There's nothing called a perfect marriage or a perfect relationship as
not
I said.
Any recipe.
You have to make it work. Okay. You have to understand that relationship, you have to understand that person and make it work. That is how it is, what makes it perfect. It's not whatever dream sequence रे जाई कि नाची की गीत गाई कि that is not how perfect
it's
marriage
very filmy.
सेगुडा को सब फिल्म रे और पर्दा रे ही भल लागे एइटा रे डेली बेसिस रे you will have new challenges, how you want to go through them together. सेतरे तुमरो जदी मु केतो I am feeling low, how she handles me.
Are you romantic?
Me?
You.
Kind of.
So
on and off. Sometimes I am very much romantic, but this question should be to my wife, not to me.
Okay. अच्छा आपण भलो बापा ना भलो स्वामी बोली
भलो बापा
भलो स्वामी ठो अधिका
भलो बापा I mean I have been certified.
माने एटा की देइछ माने भाउज कहिसंती ना तम निजे निजु
ना you can go around ask anybody who knows me that they will say that
you cared your child
भलो बापा
अच्छा माने लाइक जेतबे गोटे माने आमे गोटे अलगा जोन रे थाउ जेतबे गोटे पिल्ला आसे लाइफ को रेस्पोंसिबिलिटी बहुत बढ़ी जाए तो से तो रेस्पोंसिबिलिटी हैंडल करिया इज इट डिफिकल्ट
initially it's again a challenge of its own. I mean you just see that kid grow up. In fact एबे जो था फेज टा इज मोर चैलेंजिंग जत जन्म हवा फेज टू काहे कि ना ए जो टॉडलर फेज टा सतो को से मना को दिन सब हां हैप्पी ऑब्वियसली हैप्पी नो डाउट अबाउट इट बट चैलेंजेस हैज इट्स ओन देखो एबे जो चैलेंजेस टा उससे धीरे धीरे चेंज हो जत से स्कूल जीवो अलगा चैलेंजेस आसी तो टीन्स को आसी जीवो सतो को अलगा चैलेंजेस आसी राइट सो एबे टू मु चाहू जे से बॉन्डिंग टा रहिले कोन ना से जत धीरे धीरे बड़ होबो ही शुड नॉट फील कि ही इज माय फादर सो आई विल नॉट बी एबल टू say to him more
share
problems so most chahini se insoda as I have been able to share my problems with my parents he should be open and able to share his problems his happiness everything
okay
sei insoda jodi hei parla bapo pavitra I think most things
you are more connected
absolutely that is the most important part in any relationship
acha chandan bhai ketra award pai chhan bada award
mu acha very good question mu jata career arambha kartili and I think 2006-7 jaye I used to attend award shows bahut exciting lagutla I used to love it I think I got 2 or 3 at that time also tapare what has started happening is गुडा ऑर्गेनाइजेशंस आसले जो माने घर को इनवाइट करिया पे एंड दे सेड कि आपण जदी एठी एति पैसा देबे हम तो आपण को ए अवार्ड ता देबो आपण जदी ए परफॉर्मेंस ता करिवे हम ए अवार्ड ता देबो that is the beginning of where I started hating all this
that is
ତା ପରଠୁ
irritating.
probably 2008-9 ପରଠୁ I haven't been to a single award show. ଗୁଡା invites ବି ଆସେ ଘରକୁ, I do not entertain that. And ଆଗକୁ ମଧ୍ୟ ମତେ କୋଉ award show ରେ ଯିବାର ନାହିଁ କି I
Clear.
don't want to be a part of it.
You are clear. ମତେ
Absolutely.
ଯିବାର ନାହିଁ।
Dead clear.
ତାମାନେ ଆପଣ ପଇସା ଦେଇକି କିଛି ଆୱାର୍ଡ କିଣି ନାହାନ୍ତି।
ଦରକାର ହିଁ ନାହିଁ, ମାନେ why do I need an award? When I have
It's
the love,
appreciation.
when I have the love of the people, when I go and meet them, I see कि ସେମାନଙ୍କର କେତେ ଭଲ ପାଇବା ଅଛି ମୋ ପ୍ରତି, ମତେ ସେ ଆୱାର୍ଡ ଯୋଉଟା କି ଏବେ ପାଇବି ନେଇକି ସେ କୋଉ ସେଲ୍ଫ ରେ ଥୋଇବି, ତା 2 ଦିନ ପରେ ଅନନ୍ତୁ ଲାଗିକି ତାର ଅବସ୍ଥା ନଥିବ, why should I care? ବହୁତ ଲୋକ ରଖିକି ଏତିକି ଗଦା ଫଟୋ ପକାନ୍ତି ଇନଷ୍ଟାରେ ଆଉ ଫେସବୁକରେ, I have never understood what it means. I'd much rather
Just
have
fake
the
thing.
real love of people, connected with them, do something for them, and that is what gives me happiness. These fake things do not.
You never entertain these
No,
kind of people.
fake things, fake people, I hate them.
Okay.
And I feel this is fake.
अच्छा ଏବେ ମୁଁ ଗୋଟେ ଲାଇକ୍ ଲୋକଙ୍କୁ ଗୋଟେ ବହୁତ ଶୁଣିଛି କି ଆକ୍ଟର୍ସ ମାନେ ପ୍ରେଟେଣ୍ଡ କରନ୍ତି ଦେ ଆର୍ ପରଫେକ୍ଟ, ଦେ ଆର୍ ପରଫେକ୍ଟ ହଜବେଣ୍ଡ, ପରଫେକ୍ଟ ଫାଦର ଆଣ୍ଡ ଅଲ୍, ବଟ୍ ଦେ ଆର୍ ନଟ୍ ପରଫେକ୍ଟ। ଆଉ
Nobody is
ତାଙ୍କର
perfect,
ରିଲେସନସିପ୍ ହଉ ୟା ତାଙ୍କର ମୋଷ୍ଟ ଅଫ୍ ଦି ପର୍ସନାଲ ଲାଇଫଟା ମାନେ ଭେରି ୱର୍ଷ୍ଟ ଇନ୍ ଫ୍ରଣ୍ଟ ଅଫ୍ ମିଡ଼ିଆ, ଇନ୍ ଫ୍ରଣ୍ଟ ଅଫ୍ ପବ୍ଲିକ୍। ଯେତେବେଳେ ସେଇ ଜିନିଷଟାକୁ ଆପଣ କେମିତି ନିଅନ୍ତି, ଆକ୍ସେପ୍ଟ କରନ୍ତି କେମିତି?
ଆଉ କାହା ବିଷୟରେ ତ କହିପାରିବିନି, କାହିଁକିନା ଆଉ କାହାର ରିଲେସନସିପ୍ କି ଆଉ କାହାର ପର୍ସନାଲ ଲାଇଫ୍ ବିଷୟରେ ମୋର ଆଇଡିଆ ନାହିଁ। ନିଜ ବିଷୟରେ ଆଇ ଏମ୍ ପ୍ରିଟି ଟ୍ରାନ୍ସପରେଣ୍ଟ, ସୋ ଏନିବଡି ହୁ ନୋଜ୍ ମି or is connected to me can pretty much find out what my personal life is about.
People think actors are fake.
Perception depends. I mean ମୁଁ ଏବେ ଗୋଟେ ଏମିତି ଆକ୍ଟରକୁ ଦେଖା କରିବି ଯାହା ବିଷୟରେ ମୁଁ ଭାବିବି ଯେ ତାର ସେଇ ଭଳିଆ ଇସ୍ୟୁଜ୍ ହେଇଛି ଆଉ ସେ ମିଛ କହୁଛି, I build a generalize that and put everything. ଏବେ ଯେମିତି SSR case ପରେ everybody started generalizing ki everybody in Bollywood is a drug addict. Do you think everybody takes drugs?
No.
So similarly, if I come across a person as an audience, ମୁଁ ଯଦି ଦେଖିଲି ଏ ଲୋକଟା ମୁଁ ତ ୟାକୁ ବହୁତ ଭଲ ଭାବୁଥିଲି, ଇଏ କ'ଣ ଏମିତି ହେଉଛି ପର୍ସନାଲ ଲାଇଫରେ, I probably say ବାକି ମାନେ ବି ସେମିତି ହଉଥିବେ. So that perception comes into mind. But that is my again a problem that I have. Just do not judge people. I mean, even if probably you saw that person doing something which is incorrect, immoral, you understand the entire story. No, you can gote instance re tume gote loku dekhi ki why are you going to judge that person?
True.
You look into yourself, look into whether how clean you are. एते बाकी मानन को जज करबा पई काई कि हमें एते खुशी जो स्पेसिफिकली सोशल मीडिया जुगरे आपण गोटे पोस्ट करंतु फोटो पकांतु माने लोक एमिति आपण को जज करिवे जेंति कि से माने आपनकर पूर्व पुरुष मानकर सब आसीले कोडो, अरे भाई यू हैव अ प्रॉब्लम विथ मी, यू address it man to man, why are you so abusing, why are you using all this kind of things?
It's very irritating, it's very
and these are
insulting.
perfectly jobless useless people who do not have anything to do.
अच्छा आपण मैरिज को बहुत सीक्रेट रखिले, माने मैरिज लाइफ हो पर्सनल लाइफ हो बहुत सीक्रेट रखंदी?
Secret रखिली to people who are not connected to me personally.
Okay.
As I said, from my experiences I realized I have to keep my personal life only confined to people I know.
Your own people.
I do not want to make a hangama out of it that I got married, I have a kid and blah blah blah. तो मुझे जानिबार अछि मो विषय, you come home meet me, that's it. I'm always open. But मु जाई कि कोठी बसी कि इंटरव्यू रे जाई कहबी I'm planning to get married. Thanks, I'm out of that age. मोर से जिंस दरकार नहीं. I'm pretty happy with what I have. So
your family, your friends and all.
हाँ, so personal life is personal life, and I again firmly believe कि as an actor also मो personal life टा मो घरे रखिया चाहूँ जदि I should have that liberty.
Yeah.
मत I need not be answerable to public कि why am I not making my personal life public. I'm not asking you.
Because you are a celebrity.
I'm not asking anybody else to make their personal life private.
They work to criticize you.
They can criticize. They can do anything. But I am not liable to answer.
हाँ.
As long as it's as long as it's my personal life, I'm not liable to answer.
हाँ, तो जेतबेले एई जिंसटा धीरे धीरे लोकन को माइंड को आसे से जो परसेप्शन टा तो माने गोटे एनवायरनमेंट क्रिएट करे, गोटे नेगेटिव एनवायरनमेंट क्रिएट करे.
से परसेप्शन को केयर के करे. That is, if you start caring about every feedback or every perception that comes around to you, then probably you will make your own life hell. से माने तांगर फ्री एडवाइस ता देकी तांग वाटर को देबे. तुमे बसी भागुथबो जे
कोन हला काहे
कोन एंती गोटे कहदला मते मु कोन करिवि एबे रात्रि निद होबनी तापर निद औषध खाइबो तापर फ्रस्ट्रेशन हे जो तापर मद पीबो एते सब टेंशन नबो काहे कि भाई से जार कहला गला भगवान दीटा कान दैछन गोटर सुनो आरटा
बाहर कर दियो
बस एते टेंशन नबर नै लाइफ रे
अच्छा लाइफ रे सक्सेस को केमते डिफाइन करंते
सक्सेस मु सत डिफाइन करे जोटा कि आपन को इंटरनल पीस दिए एवं आपन को फैमिली को आपन को निज लोकन को सैटिस्फैक्शन दिए दैट इज मोटो एंड सक्सेस एवरीथिंग
नॉट मनी नॉट हिट फिल्म्स नॉट बिग प्रोजेक्ट्स
मनी आज अछि काली नथिबो मूवीज आज अछि काली नथिबो राजेश खन्ना भया सुपरस्टार मले जतो सेक्लूजन रे आमे माने किए नु
हां
सो डू नॉट टेक योर सो कॉल्ड स्टारडम वेरी सीरियसली
अच्छा फीलिंग्स बहुत लोग कहते कि फिल्म इंडस्ट्री हो एंटरटेनमेंट इंडस्ट्री हो से फीलिंग्स रो किछ केयर न था किछ रियल फीलिंग न था त आपण केबे से जिनसटा माने रियलाइज
बहुत प्रोफेशनल न था यार सेटा हमें खाली कहवा जे जदी मूवी इंडस्ट्री न था बोली इट्स लेट्स एक्सेप्ट इट कि वी लिव इन अ वर्ल्ड वेयर पीपल आर सेल्फिश वेयर पीपल आर मोर focused on their own selves than the person sitting next to them so we have to accept that आपण सेही जिंसटा को जो एक्सेप्ट करी कि ही सेटा को विश्वास करी कि ही आगु बढ़े पड़ो आ मु दुख रे अछि समस्त मो दुख आसी कि निजे आड़ बुझिबे forget it you have to address your own you have to address your own if you are not capable of addressing your own so you are gone that's the blunt truth आपण ए जिंसटा भलो न लगे परबे this may not be a politically correct statement also but that is how things are today so you better accept it
such a cool answer okay finally जो ना जो ऑडियंस माने आपन केते भल पांते ते प्यार दोछन कोन सजेशंस कोन तुमको एडवाइस करिवे
एडवाइस as always please take care of yourself and your family जहाँ भी एबे पैंडेमिक थ्रू रे प्रिकॉशंस नवा पई गाइडलाइंस आसु छी प्लीज एडो फॉलो करंतु बहुत स्ट्रिक्टली फॉलो करंतु एवं
आपण करंती तो
absolutely I do I have to because I have aged parents and a kid at home so I don't have an option of not following it so just don't do it for yourself do it for your family आपन जदी भी लागु छी जे आपन इम्यूनिटी बहुत भलो हुए तो आपन घर जे मान थिबे तांकर न थाई पारे सो तांको पई एटलीस्ट से जिंसटा फॉलो करंतु एवं जो भया भलो पाइबा आपन देई चंती मते ता पई आई विल ऑलवेज बी ग्रेटफुल टू यू कीप लविंग एंड कीप ब्लेसिंग ऑलवेज
oh so sweet thank you Chandan bhai
thank you Samir wonderful
coming to my show and great time with you
thank you so much
thank you